Hey guys, and welcome to Project Bachata instructional videos. This is a place to be to learn everything about bachata, starting off with the basics. Now these videos will be provided both in English and Spanish, so if you prefer to watch these instructions in Spanish, please click the link below. Remember that sharing is caring, so if you enjoyed these videos, share the love by clicking the like button and sharing the video below. Now let's get started. Hey everyone, and welcome to Project Bachata. I'm El Flaco, and with me we have Raquel, and we are here to teach you how to do the front and back crosses. Now, if you haven't already done so, please make sure that you watch your side-to-side basics, as we have already covered the basics there. So, let's get started with one full basic. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, tap. 5, 6, 7, tap. Now, we're going to start off by doing the front cross. So we're going to step out, across the front, out, tap, out. We're going to cross the front, out, tap. Now, one little thing that I would like to mention is that you don't want to step directly to the side. What you want to do is that you want to step back a little bit in a diagonal motion, and that allows for that extra room for you to cross through the front. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, similar to the front cross, for the back cross, we're going to do something similar. But rather than stepping to the back a little bit, we're going to step forward, and we're going to also rotate our body, and that allows us to comfortably do the back cross. Okay? So, to demonstrate this, we're going to do one full basic with the front cross and one full basic with the back cross. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, tap. 5, 6, 7, tap. 1, 2, 3, tap. 5, 6, 7, tap. Now, let's go ahead and demonstrate this from the back side. We're going to do one full basic with the front cross and one full basic with the back cross. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, tap. 5, 6, 7, tap. 1, 2, 3, tap. 5, 6, 7, tap. Perfect. Now that you've learned the basics, let's get this party started.